Hey everybody! Welcome back to Info 3370, Studying Social Inequality with Data Science. We've just covered the political origins of wealth inequality and how wealth disparities today are to a large degree rooted in racist housing policies in the past, which affected who could and could not buy homes and thus build wealth through home equity. Today we're going to talk about the present-day manifestation of this in racial residential segregation. If you go to the course website and click this link to Social Explorer, that link will take you to a Cornell login page, where then you'll get to this landing page on this resource which maps social variables across maps of the country. When you click Explore, you can get to the main page where we can explore the data. So by default, you see a map of the United States, where each state is colored by its population density. But we don't have to stop at population density. If you go to the top and click Change Data, then you can choose any number of variables and see how that variable is distributed geographically across the US. So let's look at race and look at the proportion identifying as Black or African American alone. When you zoom in on the map, you'll get a tighter view where you see smaller geographic areas. So we're going to zoom in here on Los Angeles. And when you zoom in, you can see what racial segregation looks like in LA today. So we see that the beach cities here have very low percent Black, less than 10%. Up here in like Beverly Hills, we're less than 10%. And down here in South Central LA, we have over half of the population identifying as Black or Hispanic. Something powerful about these maps is that they can show us things about places we may have lived or may have known all our lives, and we can see the present day racial exclusion that still exists, partly as a consequence of these political origins that existed in the past. So our exercise today is for you to find a place of interest to you and look at some maps and see if you can find out some new things about how segregation looks in that place.